So the first homework that is given is factorial of number. Yeah. So yeah, please explain me, what you have done.
Yes, sir. I taken given number is A and n equal to 1 for that initial starting.
Why you have taken 1, not 0?
If you take 0, if you multiply with 5, it will go 0, sir.
Correct.
If
Yes.
you take 1 or some constant, the 1 is the best, because if you go 0, it will be totally vanish. 0 will come. So that's why you take 1. Now,
Correct. When you are taking any multiple means you have to take 1 only, because multiple of anything with 1 is equal to that same thing. But when you are adding, you have to take 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So while if you greater than 0, A with the given value, condition, after that n equal to n into 1. That means n equal to now 5. Again, A equal to, I understand, sir? A equal to A minus 1 of this condition.
Okay.
It will be repeated, it will come, sir. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, like that. Like this. 5, minus 1, 4, minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2. Again, it will come, stop 1.
Perfect. Yes. So yeah. So can you give something? Yeah. Give 6. Perfect. Okay. So you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
now,
sir.
Now can you do using for loop?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have saved this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now remove everything. I mean, let it a equal to 5. Okay. After that, you remove. Let n equal to 1. Let it be. So those three. Now, how to write for loop? Delete. So
for
small.
Now n in
I in range.
Sir?
Range 1 comma a plus 1. Within bracket. Colon. So it will start from 1 till
a plus 1 increment.
Correct. Enter. Now what to do? Now n equal to n into I. Now print n. Run it. Okay. So first time n equal to 1. Next time n equal to, see, if you doing 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. This way is okay. That is also okay, right?
Okay. This is so full data.
So it will start from 1 to a plus 1 means till 5. Just multiply. That's it. So if you write within the for loop, it is giving every first time 1 into 1. So first time 1. Next time 1 into 2. So 2. Next time 3 into 2. 6. Next time 6 into 4. Like that. Okay. So that print statement is within the for loop. So don't keep it in within loop. Just to put one backspace, print statement, put outside the loop. Print statement, put outside the loop. Outside means print statement, give one backspace.
Okay.
Do it.
Now, sir. Print statement. Take outside, sir.
No, just give one backspace. That print statement. Come to print P, before P,
Yes.
backspace. Now run it. Okay. That means if you put the print statement here, it will be inside the loop. Now it is outside the loop. It will give the final one.
Okay.
If you put inside, it will loop every time.
Okay.
So this is using for loop, and what you have done, that is using while loop.
Okay. Yes, sir. Wait.
So whichever you comfortable, you just do it. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Save it. Now next one.
Yes.
So if you can see the difference between using for loop, how it is happening, and using while loop, how it is happening.
Yeah.
Okay. So increment that increment, no need to write one more line. That will handle by for loop itself. That is a
Okay.
plus point.
This one, sir.
Okay. So here in a sentence, Ram is a good boy. Count how many spaces are there and how many vowels are there. Okay. So now for x in string, if x equal to a or this, count equal to count plus 1. Run it. Perfect. So what it will happen? It will check first a string. Okay. First time
Yes, sir.
x equal to r. So it will check
Yes,
if x equal to r. No. So it won't come inside the if. Now a is there. Yes. Now
Yes.
a means it will count equal to count plus 1. Okay.
One.
Like
Yes,
that
sir.
it will go till end. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
how
sir.
to find the space?
Face I not given, sir.
Space.
Only
Okay. Okay. You save it.
only given
Now how to check the space?
space means you need to give that count that space. We yesterday we did
Each
the year replaces.
each space, correct. Go there. If in if condition you write that. If you remove that, what is there inside the if, remove everything.
Okay.
No. Let it be if condition. Within the bracket,
Okay.
what is there, remove that.
Okay.
Everything till the end. Delete. Now write if string dot each space. Now run it.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
The given value is 0.
Count equal to 0, each space. In the string, it will check whether it is
Okay.
a no. If x dot, not string x.
Okay. Also 4, sir.
How many spaces are there?
1, 2, 3, 4 is there, sir.
Correct. So x is coming first time r, next time a.
Okay.
So it is not a space. Next time m, not a space. Then space is coming. Is space? Yes, true. Then count equal to 1. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. Save it. You all clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So are you doing or not? I mean, have you done? Have you tried?
Actually, I just reached today morning, sir. I didn't try this
Okay, no
yet.
problem.
I'll do it.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Go to the next one. Okay, this is the question. We have a full name. You have to find first name, middle name, and last name. Perfect. So you have to use split function. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you use split function, only it will give the total output in a list. Okay. That's why you have given 0, 1, 2, 3. That means inside the list, take the first index, first
Okay.
name, second index, zeroth index, first index, and second index. That's why I have given this 0, 1, 2, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So that's what I mean. See, by if you see in the Google, you'll find so many things, but by seeing, oh, this is the thing, you can, I mean, tell, oh, it is easy, but try to think why you are doing this thing. Okay. If you do it, then only your analytical skill will increase.
Okay.
So that's it, right? Or one more is there, I think.
One more.
Okay.
Fourth. This one.
So let's say a equal to, okay, that is nothing but palindrome. So what you have to do, you have to reverse it. Reverse, as I
Okay.
told you, you can reverse it giving this minus 1. Now
Yes.
compare it. If it is equal to, then palindrome, otherwise not palindrome. Perfect. Run it. Yes. Okay. Good. At least you people are understanding. Now let's go to the new topic. So any other doubt till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we'll go to the built-in function in tuple.
Okay.
Take two tuple, T1 equal to this, T1 equal to one tuple, T2 equal to one tuple. So the same built-in function that I used in the list, you can try those things. T1 equal to T1 and T2. Take two tuple.
Okay. Sir. This one, sir. Tuple.
Tuple means what? Which is bracket? That is for dictionary. Normal bracket, parenthesis.
Value, sir.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. Something. T2 equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Now print T1, print T2. Print T1 plus T2. Okay.
Okay.
Now do del T1. I want to delete the tuple. Del T1 space T1. Run it.
Can print, sir. Directed.
Okay, so it is not there now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now length of tuple, len,
Sir?
len, length,
Okay.
length of tuple.
Okay.
No, print that above one directly. Print len of T2. No, normal bracket. Remove the upper one. 12th line remove.
This one.
Yeah, delete. Run it. Okay, length of tuple. So now we cannot assign something.
Okay. Tuples are some different value.
Okay. Write del space T2 within square bracket 0. Run it. Okay. So here, as I told you, tuple is read only. Okay. So inside the items you cannot do anything.
Okay.
So you cannot delete the items inside the tuple. Okay. But at a time, del T1 means it will delete the whole the thing. But if you want to delete any items and all, you cannot delete. Okay. Now you want to edit.
What's that?
T2 of 1 equal to 99. T2 within square bracket.
Okay.
1 within square bracket equal to 99. No, outside the bracket. Single equal to.
Single.
Double equal to means comparison.
Comparison.
Run it. That delete, you comment it.
Okay.
You are getting error actually. Go up, just stretch it, output. Stretch the output.
This one, sir? Full.
No, 14, line number 14.
14, okay.
Now run it. Okay. Also, you cannot delete. Also, you cannot update. You are updating here. T1 equal to 99. You are updating, right? So,
Yes,
tuple object does not support item assignment. So, you can write it here. You cannot update also. Okay. So, like that, all the as it is a read only, you cannot do any operation inside the tuple. Okay. But these simple things like length and all these things, what is there in the list, try those things. So some of the things like updating, deleting, all these things you cannot do, but other thing you can do. Okay. Like finding
the same year on the string also. Same tuple is same year and last time we studied now, sir.
No, I didn't get you. Come again.
No, last time we studied on tuple, right?
Correct. No, actually we studied all the data types, right? Number, string, list, tuple. But now we are studying in detail.
Okay.
all the properties in detail we are studying here. The built-in
Okay.
functions in all the data types.
Okay.
Before that we studied only the basics, but now we are going in deep.
Okay.
Now come to the dictionary. Built-in function in dictionary. Save it, all these things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now create a dictionary.
Okay.
Built-in function in dictionary. Write the next topic. Create a dictionary. D equal to within square bracket. Sorry,
Well,
no, curly bracket. Create a dictionary.
okay. Can you give value, sir?
How to create a dictionary? Key and value both, not like that.
Key and value.
Go and check your document. Go and check.
Name the number.
12, yeah, 12 colon high. 12 colon within quote high. Within single quote. Hi. Hi, hi. HI. Hi or hello. Comma. Name. Whatever you can give, key and value, whatever, string, number, whatever you can give, float, whatever you can give. No. Just create, create 2-3 items. Within quote. Okay, now print D. Run it. Okay. Now print only name. How to print name?
Yes. D of.
Just give one space. No, after this declaration of dictionary, just give one
Okay.
space. This bit correct. Between two print, no space.
Okay.
Yeah. So D of name.
Yes. Name 01.
Not 01. Key is name. Within single quote, write name. Run it. So here there is no 0 and 1. Okay.
Okay.
Now This is your dictionary. If you want to find something, you have to give the key, then it will give that value. Okay. Now let's say you want to add one more. Let's say salary. Okay.
Okay.
Now write D of. Don't give space.
Okay.
D of
Okay.
within square bracket. Sal within quote. Equal to 10,000. Give some salary. Now print D. Run it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you have added one more item, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like that you can add if you want add any item. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's say we are going to check this one keys and values. What are the keys and values? Right. Print D of keys. Print D dot keys. D dot keys.
Okay.
K enter keys. Run it. So if you write D dot keys, it will give only what are the keys present in there. So keys are 12, name, 10, and salary. These are the keys. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now like that D dot values. Okay, you'll get values. Now write D1 equal to D dot copy. Sorry, not square bracket. Only D1. D1
D1
equal to D dot copy. D dot copy. Enter.
yes, sir.
Print D1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can copy that one like that. Length.
Okay.
Print len of D. Len of D. Run it.
Yes, sir.
So length of dictionary. Okay. So like that you can do this all the operations in the dictionary. Okay. Now just what else in dictionary? So you can mention dictionary like within a list. You can mention the what you can say, some list of values, or how you then you can try with different this one. Now do delete del D space D.
Yes, sir.
D. Run it. Print D.
Yes, sir.
Okay, D is deleted. Okay, like that you can do clear also. Okay,
Clear means, sir?
clear means if the item will clear, then it will be one null value. So D1 you clear.
Okay.
How to clear? D1 dot clear. D1 dot clear, not del. D1 dot clear. Now print D1. Run it.
Yes.
Okay, it is cleared.
Hmm.
Okay, so like that you can delete, clear, whatever you can do it. Okay, so these are the very common that we regularly use if you want. So you can use it. How to add, how to delete, how to all these things. Okay, yeah, save it.
So if I give, I want to only remove name, replace or delete. Sir.
Replace we did. Okay, you want to update,
Particular.
right? You can
Yes.
update that one. So now D1, D2 both are cleared, right?
Yes, sir.
So what to do? Okay, do one thing. Go up after D. After D, enter. Write D3 equal to no there after D. Starting.
Yes, sir.
D3 equal
D3
to
equal
D.
no,
D3 equal to D.
equal to
D3
D.
D3 equal to
Okay. D.
D dot copy. D dot copy. We are
Okay.
creating one more copy. Now we'll do in the now come down. Print D3.
Oh. 17th.
Comment because it what
Yes, sir.
happened? Name D is not defined.
Yes, sir.
Run,
That's right. Also.
run it.
Yes, sir. Oh, okay.
Perfect. Okay. See now,
Hmm.
actually in the beginning it was giving error. Okay, that's
Okay.
what it is. So see, this is the empty. Once you clear D1 is now clear. Now D3 equal to this. Now write D of D3.
Hmm.
Right,
D3
D3 square bracket
square bracket
12
12. Okay.
equal to 99. That means what is D3 of 12? It is nothing but high, right?
Yes.
D now enter print D3. Run it.
Yes,
See
sir. It is.
now high is updated. Okay,
Okay.
so like that.
You keep keep as a key in first. You can change values. Huh?
Correct. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Any doubt?
This delete also the same, right? Or
Yeah.
if you keep
Yeah.
there,
Yeah. Same thing. Same thing. All list, tuple, dictionary, how you did, all these things are same only. Okay. Same
Okay.
concept is same. Okay.
Okay. Sir.
So try to practice all these things.
Okay.
Now we'll go for the new topic in our next session.
Okay.